Sa video today, ipapakita ko sa inyo which Kajabi plan is right for you based on your goals and stage of business. Hi guys, ako nga pala si Ashley at iisa-isahin ko sa inyo lahat ng Kajabi plans para malaman nyo kung alin talagang swak sa inyo depending on your stage of business, whether you're just getting started or already scaling. So I'm gonna walk you through what you actually get on each plan, where the limitations are, at kung anong klaseng creator o business ang design sa bawat tier. Plus, magbibigay ako ng real life examples para ma-imagine nyo kung paano gagana ang bawat plan para sa inyo. Simulan na natin. Una, ano ang Kajabi? Kung hindi ka pa familiar, para sa akin na Kajabi ay digital business in a box. Lahat ng kailangan mo para mag-build at mag-grow ng online business nandito na without having to string together 10 different tools. Sa Kajabi, pwede kang gumawa at magbenta ng digital products gaya ng online courses, workshops, coaching offers, at memberships. Pwede kang mag-build ng website, mag-send ng email sa list mo, mag-run ng marketing automations, build sales funnels, take payments, and even set up a referral program. Para sa creators, coaches, at service providers na ayaw ma-stress sa tech stuff ng WordPress, Teachable o ConvertKit, Zapier, and Stripe all at once. Kajabi replaces all of those with one platform and login. Simulan natin sa Kajabi Kickstarter plan. So if you want to go ahead and follow along, nilagay ko yung special link namin sa baba. Pwede ka makakuha ng 30-day free trial with any of these. So ayun, I just went up to pricing, tapos dito makikita lahat. Pwede kang pumili kung monthly o annual. Sa annual, makakatipid ka ng 20%. Just want to mention that ha. Okay, so yung Kickstarter plan, ito yung pinaka-affordable na plan ng Kajabi at ginawa talaga to para sa mga nagsisimula pa lang. Let's say na isa kang wellness coach na kakagawa lang ng first 4-hour digital program mo and you want to test out the waters. Hindi mo kailangan ng 10 products o maraming automations. Ang kailangan mo lang ay isang simple and maayos na setup where people can purchase and access your content, maybe sumali rin sa private community mo. The Kickstarter plan gives you just that. Sa plan na to, pwede kang gumawa ng isang product at isang community. Ibig sabihin kung meron kang isang course, workshop, o group na ina-offer, you're covered. You also get one website which includes Kajabi's built-in page builder to create your homepage, sales page, and thank you page. You will be limited to 250 contacts on your email list at pwede kang mag-send ng hanggang 7,500 emails per month, which is fine when you're just launching your first handful of subscribers. Isang admin user lang ang allowed, kaya bagay ito sa solo entrepreneurs. Pero may access ka pa rin sa Kajabi AI at sa Creator Studio na helpful kung gusto mong gumawa ng course outlines, emails, or captions quickly without overthinking. Even though this is the smallest plan, wala itong transaction fees, kaya lahat ng kita mo sa'yo mapupunta. Kung magpapalaunch ka pa ng first offer mo at gusto mo ng simple setup, perfect na starting point na to. Ngayon, ang Kickstarter plan ay $71 per month if you pay annually. Kung gusto mo naman monthly, it's $89 per month. But again, that's the time of me recording this video ha. Obviously, they are subject to change. Ngayon, pag-usapan naman natin ang Kajabi Basic Plan. Dito usually nagsisimulang makaramdam ng momentum ang creators. Kunwari, meron kang main course, isang bonus mini offer, at maybe isang free lead magnet na you want to host inside Kajabi. Sa plan na to, you can have 3 products total, which gives you way more flexibility. You can also create 3 pipelines. Sa Kajabi yan, ang tawag nila sa automated sales funnel. Halimbawa, pwede kang mag-set up ng isang pipeline para sa freebie, isa para sa main course launch mo, at isa para sa paid workshop na may kasamang automated emails. It's perfect for creators building multiple revenue streams. Kasama pa rin sa plan na to ang isang website at isang admin user. Kaya kung solo business owner ka, you're fine here. In this plan, you can have up to 10,000 contacts and send unlimited marketing emails, which is a huge step. Active ka, nagpapagrow ng list mo, o laging may email campaigns. Makukuha mo pa rin lahat ng standard tools tulad ng landing pages, automations, at mga AI features. And syempre, wala pa rin Kajabi transaction fees. If you're ready to build a more structured funnel o mag-add ng more offers to your product suite, this is definitely the smart next move. With this plan right now, you can get it for $119 per month billed annually, kaya makakatipid ka ng 20 to 90%. Kung gusto mo ng monthly payment, it's $149 per month. Next naman ay ang Kajabi Growth Plan. This is where the platform really starts to open up. Ang growth plan ay ideal sa business owners who are either scaling a successful product or managing a small team. Sa plan na to, you can build 15 different products, kaya pwede kang mag-offer ng full product suite na may core offers, mini courses, live experiences, o kahit downloadable resources. Makakakuha ka rin ng 15 pipelines, so you can automate each one individually. Mataas din ang limit to 25,000 and unlimited pa rin ng email sends. Perfect to kung gumagawa ka ng evergreen marketing plus occasional launches. Here's where things get interesting. You now get 10 admin users, kaya kung may VA ka, content manager, o custom support na kasama sa team mo, pwede mo silang bigyan ng access without sharing logins. This plan also unlocks 2 really powerful features. Una, yung advanced automation. Pwede ka ngayong mag-set ng rules, like if someone finishes module 3, tag them and spend upsell email. O kung hindi nila mabuksan ng email, papadalhan sila ng reminder. These workflows make your business feel feel like it runs itself. Pangalawa, yung affiliate program. Dito pwede ka mag-recruit ng affiliates para i-promote ang offers mo at matrack mo rin agad ang commissions directly inside Kajabi. Pwede mo na rin tanggalin ang Kajabi branding and use your own. Basically, stepping into pro-level business tools without needing developers or custom code. Kung consistent ang income mo at gusto mo mag-scale nang hindi na sa stress sa tech stuff, this is definitely the sweet spot. And again, at the time of recording, the growth plan is $159 per month billed annually, and the monthly is $199 per month. Sa huli, pag-usapan naman natin ang Kajabi Pro Plan. Ito yung pinaka-advanced na tier ng Kajabi. It's designed for large businesses or agencies. Dito pwede kang gumawa ng up to 100 products and 100 pipelines sa honestly, sobra na para sa karamihan. Kung nagmamanage ka ng multiple course brands, doing done-for-you services, or launching offers across several niches, it's here for you. Sa Pro Plan, pwede ka mag-manage ng 3 hiwalay na websites. Malaking bagay ito kung may iba't ibang brands ka or you serve very different audiences. Meron 25 admin users ka rin, which means this is built for teams. Kung nagpapatakbo ka ng agency o may full team ka na humahawak ng operations, content, sales, and support, this is a plan that supports that growth. Bukod pa dyan, you unlock a custom code access, tweak your site's layout beyond the drag and drop options, or integrate ang Kajabi sa ibang platforms gamit ang webhooks. Ang Pro Plan lets you do this. Talagang ginawa to for people running full-scale operations. Kung isa kang team-managed education business, malaking coaching company, or marketing agency na may hawak ng maraming brands, swak sa'yo tong plan na to. Ngayon na alam mo ng iba't ibang plans and pricing options, punta naman tayo sa pros and cons of Kajabi. So, let's start off with the pros. Una sa lahat, ang Kajabi replaces a whole tech stack. Hindi mo na kailangan ng hiwalay na tools para sa courses, emails, landing pages, funnels, o payments. Nasa isang place na lahat yan, which saves you time and energy. The user experience is polished. Mula sa website mo to your student dashboard, lahat mukhang high-end. Kahit hindi ka designer, there's no coding required. Kahit first time mong gumawa ng website, kaya mong i-launch ang first offer without hiring a developer. Next is you own your audience. Di tulad ng Udemy o Skillshare, Kajabi gives you full control over your pricing, customer list, and content. Ngayon, ang cons. Medyo mahal si Kajabi kumpara sa basic tools tulad ng Teachable o Podia, especially once you go beyond the Kickstarter plan, but you're paying for convenience and consolidation. Medyo may learning curve din sila sa simula, lalo na kapag nagsaset up ka ng automations and funnels. Pero to be honest, may live chat support si Kajabi at may tutorials na rin sa loob ng dashboard mo. Ngayon, some creators might outgrow the visual design tools. Kung sobrang particular ka sa layout at gusto mo talaga ng full control, the Pro Plan's custom code access might be the only way to get it exactly how you want it. Ngayon, as a personal note, nagamit ko na yung Kajabi and a ton of other different systems, pero honestly, wala pa akong nakita na all-in-one platform na kasing solid nito. Sobrang nakakatulong talaga siya para makatipid ka ng oras and makapag-focus sa paggawa ng content mo instead of configuring all the tech behind the scenes stuff. Kaya kung nagsisimula ka pa lang, suggest ko na mag-sign up ka muna sa free trial at mag-explore ka lang sa dashboard. You get a feel for how intuitive it is. At kung sa tingin mo na Kajabi is right for you, gamitin mo yung link sa description below. Malaking tulong to sa pag-support sa channel namin para makagawa kami ng educational tutorials like this. At dito na nagtatapos ang video natin today. Huwag mong kalimutan mag-like at mag-subscribe at mag-iwan ng comments sa questions below. Gusto naming makarinig from you. Maraming salamat at kita-kits sa susunod!